How's it going, everybody? It's been quite a while since I was on here last, maybe a month or two. So gonna do kind of an update video slash work video. So what I've done since the last time is the cab is ready to come off. The engine's completely out and over there. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to work on the engine, getting everything off that I need. And there's not a bit of electrical in this truck that still works. Took the complete rear ad support off, fenders, inner fenders, radiator, front grille, bumper, and then this is the engine now. It's an ugly thing. Alright, well, I'm gonna start taking off the motor mounts for the new engine, maybe the coil. What else? Motor mounts, engine, alternator I'm gonna need. Yeah. Alright. See you in just a couple minutes. Alright. So I took the alternator off. I got one of the motor mounts off. From right here. And then alternator came off from there, and now I need to get this motor mount in here. And then I'm taking off the coil. Or, hold on. It's not loose. What's this? Alright, I will be right back. Alright, so both engine or motor mounts are out now. Coil's out, alternator's out. This is all done, I believe. I don't know if we need this flyweight. We're having issues with the other one. There's a little bit of a groove in it. So I'll just give you a little tour of what, or a little show of what we've done. Okay, so I took out all the wiring as I told you. Don't remember what that goes to. This is the heater core. That's a fan. That was a pain to get off. And now I'm going to be showing you the new engine. It's all in pieces. I took it apart. So we have the old carb here. Got the intake manifold that I might be replacing with an aluminum Edelbrock one. Wait, yeah. We have the pile of parts over there, along with the rat's nest of wiring harness. You can see the new doors right there. Here's the new exhaust. There's the old scoop. I got the inner fenders here. I got the heater control unit, so fan and everything. There's the fan. Okay, what's next? Oh, here's the engine block. Decided to go with the 350. It was just cheaper, and parts are a lot easier to get for it. So, yep, that's what we're going with. I have all the parts on that table right there, so, yeah. So, we don't know if it's any good right now. Haven't touched it in a while. Cylinders are getting stuff in them. So, these little buggers go right in here. They lift the push rods that are out on the cam. They would not come out. So what we have over here is the timing chain, the main cap, sorry. We got the starter over here, top of the distributor, which is not fared too well from the old owner. Some mounts, don't remember what those are for, but I'll figure it out when time comes. We got the aftermarket valve covers, they're Holly. The hockey stick push rods. I don't know if you can tell, but that is not too straight. So those are being replaced. We got the clutch out of the other engine. This is in 3 different parts. Here, let me flip it so you can see. There, right there. 3 different parts. Everything else though came out really nice. Here's the distributor itself. It's all electronic, so it's good to go. The harmonic balancer's right there. Where's the oil pans down there? Water pumps right there. Fans right there. In this bag, it's the new flywheel, but we might have an issue with it, so yeah. Let me just pull it out there. These suckers aren't right. Alright. I doubt you'll be able to see this on camera, but it's flat, 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 and then there's a groove right here. Like, it is not the same depth. So it's an uneven pattern that went around here. And I'm not sure if it's off the new engine. So it was kind of just pieced together. But other than that, next time you will see the Beast will be, or will most likely be when we're taking the cab off the frame to go get it sandblasted, because we're almost there. Put it in the description if you want to buy those. So yeah. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the stuff if you do actually watch it. And I will see you next time.